All right. So one thing I really want you to write down and say this as many times as you can, especially first thing that you wake up, is I fucking like myself. And if you really want to get crazy, you can say I fucking love myself. This is like one of the best ways to reprogram your mind for higher self-esteem, higher confidence is just this. I fucking like myself, or I like myself. You can take off the effing if you want. Say this first thing when you wake up, as many times per day, and especially when you start to criticize yourself. Come back to this. I like myself. It seems so simple, but if you get in the habit of doing this, you'll see huge changes with your mood, and you'll really start to just build up your self-confidence. Self-confidence is very awesome. So, yes, write that down. All right. So our first meditation here, our safe place meditation. So with the safe place, you're going to find your safe place. Now, this safe place that you find, and maybe you'll find it right now. Don't force things. Don't overthink it. If for some reason you do find it or you don't find it, you can always come back to this. But this is your foundation to all your meditations here. This is your foundation to any time life is getting a little too crazy. You come back to your safe place right here. And your safe place normally stays the same, but it could change. So find a comfortable place, a comfortable spot. If you're already there right now, you can have your eyes open or closed. You can turn the camera off if you need to. This will be about a 5 to 10 minute meditation. Very simple. And if it's your first time meditating, no worries at all. So yeah, find that comfortable place. And when you're ready, softly, gently, close your eyes. Closing your eyes. Just arrive, that's it. First meditation of the workshop. Allow all your to-do lists to dissolve, to fade away. All your expectations to fade away. And during this meditation, all you have to do is fucking breathe and listen to the sound of my voice. That's it. So just notice your breath and observe your breath. Nothing to do or control. Just pay attention to your breathing. Now take a nice deep inhale through your nose. Exhale, open your mouth, sigh it the fuck out, let it all go. Yes, feels good. Let's do it again. Inhale through your nose. Exhale, sigh it out. Now with your mouth closed, breathe in and out through your nose. Finding a comfortable, steady, natural, and intuitive breath for you. A comfortable, steady, natural, and intuitive breath for you. And as you start to find that comfortable, steady, natural, and intuitive breath, you realize you're relaxing. You realize you're here in the present moment. Yes. Now bring your attention and awareness to your body. And just notice this body, this amazing body of yours. It's doing so much for you. Your heart's beating. Blood's pumping. Don't even have to think about it. Now relaxing your whole body. There you go. And in just a moment, bringing your attention and awareness to your thoughts. Not yet, but in a moment, just watching your thoughts like you're watching your thoughts on a TV screen. And there's nothing to do or control with your thoughts. Just watch your thoughts. Be the witness. Allow them to roll in and roll out. Now, imagine your thoughts on a TV screen. Allow them to roll in, roll out. Nothing to do or control. Watch. Be the witness. Observe. And as you watch your thoughts on this TV screen, the TV screen gets smaller and smaller, smaller and smaller, until you just can't see your thoughts anymore. Completely relaxing the mind, turning the volume all the way down, down and down. There you go. And in just a moment, I wonder if you can use that great imagination of yours. And in a moment, I wonder if you can go to a time where you felt so safe and so secure. It could be a time in your childhood or a recent time, or maybe it's a make-believe place. One person I know, her safe place is on the beach with her feet in the sand, as she gazes out into the horizon as the sun starts to set. Another person's safe place I know is hiking his favorite path in the forest. And in just a moment, you'll go to your safe place. First thing that comes to your mind, don't overthink it. First thing comes to your mind. Now, go to your safe place. Find your safe place, even if you have to make it up. And just notice where you are, who you're with. What do you see? What do you hear? What do you smell? Who do you see? Who you're with? What do you hear? What do you smell? You're in your safe place. And now allow that picture to fade away in your mind's eye, but stay with the feeling in your body. There's a place in your body where you feel this safe energy. Where in your body do you feel this safe energy? Locate it, pinpoint it. Where exactly in the body do you feel this safe energy? And once you pinpoint it, once you locate it, you may start to see a color. First color that comes to your mind, first color you see. It could be one color or many colors. It can even have polka dots. What color do you see? And if you don't see a color, that's okay. Stay with this safe feeling. Now allow this color, allow this safe feeling to float out of your body over your head. This energy, this color, this safety floats out of your body over your head. It starts to expand from wall to wall, floor to ceiling. It fills up your entire room with this safe energy, this color. Fills up your entire room and starts to rain down on your body, filling up every single muscle fiber, every single cell with this safe energy, feeling so fucking good. Feel the sensations in your body. Some people feel a tingling up and down their spine. Others feel warmth, heat. Feel this safe energy all throughout your body. Feels so good. And knowing you can always come back to this safe feeling, this safe energy, your safe place at any time. This is your place. And in just a moment, I'll count from 1 to 5. When I reach 5, you'll come out of this meditation feeling so good, so ready, so open, so free, and so fucking safe. 1, you're the one. 2, feeling 2 times better than you felt before. 3, always 3 answers to any questions you have. The universe works in abundance. And 4, it's all for you. And 5, opening your eyes, coming back to the present moment, right here, right now. Congratulations, your first meditation of the workshop. Your safe place. Come back to this safe place whenever you need it. This is your anchor. Life gets tough sometimes. We all know, we've been there. And you come back to your safe place. You come back to this. Wherever you're at the grocery store, you're in your car, wherever. Come back to this safe place. And wake up. Everybody's like, I'm sleepy now. Get out your pen and paper. Get out your pen and paper. Let's journal a little bit. So your safe place meditation. So you imagine a place that offers you safety and peace. All right. You describe that safe place with as many details. So right now, write down your safe place. And then we'll take some shares after if you want to speak. We'll take some shares after. I want to know about your safe place, or you can write it in the chat. And it's very important. This journaling is very important. Writing is therapeutic. And write down your meditations. When you start meditating, write them down afterwards. Get clear with it. So yeah, as many details as you can, write down your safe place, get it in your memory.